This is a microphone sound check. New Picasso external microphone. I just did this trip a few minutes ago, and I forgot to go in and change the settings in the camera to external microphone. So, I'm doing it again. Erase that one. No sense taking up space with a test that was a failure. See how much wind noise I get. The face shield doesn't quite close all the way because I got a strap chin mount. So I just found out just there that I can go 3 or 4 blocks before I have to turn the gas on. It's a carbureted bike, so you gotta do that. Let's see if these sirens get picked up. Fire truck got my attention. Not sure where that one's coming from. Maybe it might be lost. Sometimes they get the address wrong and they gotta make corrections. He might have went south when he should have went north. Anyway, on a Honda XR150L. I just have only owned this a couple 3 weeks, and it's been a pretty cool little bike. If I had to do it over again, I'd probably go bigger. I'm already kind of wishing I had a little more power. You know, it is what it is. It's basically just a large scooter, and it does quite good at doing that. For gas mileage, and it's going to deliver on that. Honda claims crazy. There's where the fire truck was at, right at the library. Must have been an emergency medical deal. Everybody shows up for those. This is a street that I normally avoid. Busiest street in town, probably. Same way they made this town, they only got 1 or 2 major roads heading east and west. So all the traffic gets onto these roads. Home again. We'll see how this video turned out. It's a little bit longer than I needed it to be. I could have just done a minute or 2 there. Little Honda's good around town. Top speed is maybe gonna be 60 after I get it broke in. It's right now I've got 59 miles on it, so just starting to ride it. Okay, later.